Understanding input and output in C
is a powerful programming language often used for system and application development. At its core, a C program interacts with the user or system through input and output. The functions scanf and printf are essential tools for reading input and displaying output, making user interaction possible and debugging much easier.
Introducing printf, displaying output.
The printf function displays information on the screen. It uses a format string that specifies how values should be presented. For example, writing printf hello world n is a classic message. To print variables, use placeholders like %d for integers or %f for floating point numbers, followed by the variables you want to display.
Using scanf, receiving input.
The scanf function lets your program receive input from the user. It reads data from the keyboard and stores it in variables. For example, scanf.d equals number is reads data and stores it in the variable number. Remember to use the and symbol to provide the address of the variable where the input should be stored.
Format specifiers, explained.
Format specifiers tell scanf and printf what type of data to read or display. Common specifiers include %d for integers, %f for floating point numbers, %c for characters, and %s for strings. Matching the right specifier to your variable ensures correct input and output, preventing unexpected behavior.
Tips for reliable input and output.
Always double-check that your format specifiers match your variable types. Be careful with spaces and new lines, as they can affect how input is read. If you're handling multiple inputs, separate them by spaces or use separate scanf calls. Practice using scanf and printf to improve your understanding of user interaction in C.